you a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show him who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the Griswold channel. If you are a first timer, then welcome to the channel. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. You will get these videos daily and you will get the notifications if you click that bell as the videos are put out. So today guys, it was Lotto Friday, February 18th, 2022, and it was a banger of a day. Okay, I gave you guys 4 plays last night that you could have played, and every single one of them would have been a home run for you guys if you played them. So I just want to go with a quick review, show you where your triggers were and where you could have got in on these things. Okay, so the first one I've got up for you guys is Neo. I love Neo stock. Whether it goes up or down, Neo always has a potential for big moves, and today I think it went almost 8% down. It closed at minus 6.11% down, okay? So you could have had a wicked good day and paid your bills for like the week, maybe the month, depending on what your bankroll is, how much you play with. So if we look on the daily here on Neo, yesterday, I'm just going to go back into here. I'll show you guys. Here's the tweet, February, 18 hours ago. I showed you guys Neo, TD, Roblox, and KO. Okay, KO is Coke. And I told you to make sure you take your profit. It's a Lotto Friday. It's called Lotto Friday for a reason. You can win big. You can also lose really big, okay? So Neo, we broke this trigger here at 24.65, okay? And we had full time frame to the downside. That's an important factor, guys. When you're looking at plays, your probability of these plays working out are more probable when the time frame is all one color, okay? And if you're looking for this indicator on TradingView, you can go into your indicators. You can type in time frame continuity board rider B, okay? So that's the indicator for you on TradingView. Now we got in at 24.65. It happened in the first hour of the day. If we look to the bottom left here, okay? First hour of the day, and down in the bottom right, I've got a 3-minute chart up. It happened in the first 3 minutes of the day. First 3 minutes of the day, if you guys don't have trades set up automatically and you're just doing it manually, look, you jump in here at 24.65. If it's gone and you miss it, don't worry about it. Look for another entry, okay? And I'll show you guys how and where. So this thing banged right off the start, and we never retraced. Look, boom, 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 boom. We never retraced until what happens right here, okay? When we're looking at the Strat. Okay, we look at the Strat. This was a 2 down that finished green, and we crossed, okay, on the next candle right here, this big green candle. We cross here, and we're out of the trade, okay? You guys would have made a killing on here if you would have played this, trust me. So now you missed that trade. Damn it, you missed it. Okay, so what happens next? Well, we follow this up. We're not. You can play this, but you're going against time frame continuity. Okay, so it's up to you. You would have won going back up again. You could have played Neo both ways today. But see what happens here. We're 2 up. Then we go outside bar. Okay, so now we have a 3 bar here. What do? We wait for that 3 to break. It breaks to the low side because of time frame continuity, and boom, 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 boom. You would have won on this play once, twice, 3 times. There's multiple times for you guys. Here's another outside bar where you guys could have got in. There's plays all over here for you guys to get in on this thing, okay? So Neo was a banger. You should have made money on it. It was one of the first ones on my list. What else was on my list? Coke was on my list, okay? Let's go take a look at Coke. KO. CocaCola on the daily. We had an outside bar yesterday. Today, full time frame continuity to the upside. We break this trigger point here. Okay, $62.25. We break it. Did we break it in the first hour? We did. And did we break it in the first 3 minutes? We did. Okay, I don't play the 3-minute bar, but I'm just showing you guys how quickly it happened and where you could have got in. So if you want to say we go to the 15-minute bar. I just gotta find it on here now. We are all the way back. Let's go this way. There we go. Okay, here we go. You want to play this on the 15-minute bar? You go right ahead. Look. First 15 minutes of the day. We break it here. Okay, and then we come back down. So you would have got stopped out there. But again, we come back up again. And you could have played it again for big money. Outside bar, you could have played it again. Here's our reversal. Okay? Right here, this 2 down, red, green, and we're gone again. So again, it's a smaller time frame. You're going to get stopped out faster. If we go up to the 30-minute, would you have better luck on the 30-minute? Again, you probably would have got stopped out here on the 30-minute, but on the hourly, which is when I'm playing things for the day, and I'm expecting them based on our setups to go in a certain direction. Okay, so 7:30, this was our first bar, and we never came back down. Okay, and we went all the way up. So you could have taken profits anywhere in here throughout the day, and you would have been fine. Might not have paid the bills for the week or the month, but you would have made money on Coke. In the video yesterday, I did mention Pfizer. Pfizer didn't have a setup, okay? There was no Strat setup on Pfizer. But what it did have... So I front ran Pfizer yesterday, okay, at close. And what Pfizer did have here was full time frame continuity to the downside. And I was betting on a continuation, which we got on Pfizer. Okay, it wasn't a play that I gave to you guys because there was no setup, and I won't give you guys plays if there's no setups. Okay, so we did have a 2 down red, and we did have full time frame continuity. I played a hunch, and I won on the hunch on Pfizer. Okay, went through Neo, we went through Coke. Let's go to TD and Roblox. So TD Bank. Again, TD had an inside bar, a 1 bar right here. Okay, and we break our trigger. And our day, our week, and our hourly would have been red on this to get into this trade. Not necessarily on the quarterly and the yearly. That definitely gives you a more probable trade. But on day trades, I look for the week, the day, and the hour to be all one color. Okay, so we broke our trigger at 83.75 on Toronto Dominion. Guys, these are the easiest setups you guys will ever see. And I'm not the only one giving these setups out. There's lots of people who play this strategy. But you will never find an easier strategy to use. There's no RSI. There's no MACD. You don't have to draw lines anywhere. You know, a bull flag or bearish flag or whatever you want to. Any of the things that those technical indicators that people are talking about, you don't need them to trade. Don't feel like you need them to trade because you don't. You can play price action, okay? So we gave 2 triggers yesterday. A high and a low trigger on an inside bar, which is a powerful bar. It shows consolidation in the stock. Okay, so on Thursday this consolidated. It was within the previous day's range. And we're looking for a breakout of that inside bar. And what did we get? A breakout of that inside bar to the downside. So if we go onto the 1 hour chart, just on Toronto Dominion to see where we broke, and again, we would have broke right off the start in the morning, and we never would have come back until this bar here at 12:30. But you could have taken your profits anywhere in here, okay? So we came out, we hit 1 target, 2 targets, and when I say targets, okay, it's the wicks from the previous day's candles, okay? Those are where the stop losses are set for the buyers, okay? Stop loss set at the bottom of this candle, at the bottom of this candle. There will be one at the bottom of this candle. Okay, so we hit 1, 2 triggers and more. We didn't hit that 3rd trigger, but we had some big gains on TD. And again, this one wouldn't have paid the bills, but you would have had a really, really good Lotto Friday. Okay, Roblox, this one would have paid your bills. Okay, so let's go to Roblox. Look at the daily inside bar again on Roblox right here. Okay, I got confused with that gap. Again, full time frame continuity. That's what we need to look for when we're getting into trades. And you don't have to get into a trade. Be patient, guys. The stock market's not going anywhere. You don't need to make a trade. Wait for it to come to you. Okay? You throw that hook in the water, those fish will come to you, okay? You don't need to go find them. They come, okay? Wait for those trades to come to you guys, okay? And you'll be perfectly fine. Let's look at Roblox, okay? Trigger was at $53.66 to the downside. Full time frame to the downside. And we nailed it, okay? First hour bar in the morning, we're gone. Okay, and what about on the 30-minute chart? On the 30-minute chart, again, first hour in the morning and we're gone, and this thing ran. You would have played this all the way down to here. You would have made your month, again, depending on your bankroll. But guys, I promise you, this is by far the easiest strategy you will find on the internet, reading in books, by far the easiest, okay? Trust me on this. Those were the 4 plays I hammered out to you guys yesterday. Those were the 4 plays that won, okay? And 2 of them were ridiculously good. You would have made a ton, okay, if you would have played them. So I hope you guys did play them. I hope you guys had a wicked good Friday. I hope you guys have a really, really great weekend. This weekend, I will be putting out our weekly swing plays, which are important. And our daily plays starting for Monday, okay? So, guys, have a great weekend. I look forward to putting out videos for you guys this weekend and you guys checking those out. Like I said, make sure to click that like button. It helps with the algorithms and getting this information out to other people like yourself. Whoa, my battery's running low. Like yourself, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell next to the subscribe button, and that will allow you to get the videos or the notifications for when I put videos like this out, when I put the setup videos out, and when I put out my learning tools, okay? You guys have a really good weekend, and we'll talk to you on the next one. Bye-bye.